Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get domain shards in Jujutsu Infinity fast. You can get these shards by opening some chests in the game, but this could be a little bit rare. You can also buy the game pass, and whenever you go around the map, they will spawn, so you can simply claim them. And another method to get these shards is to go to the curse market, and sometimes you will find them just right here. You can purchase them. In some cases, you'll have to wait till they refresh. So here on the top, they say that it will refresh in 18 minutes. So you just have to go around, go play any daily missions, then come back again and see if it refreshes or not. And once it refreshes, you can simply see here that we have one shard here that you can actually buy. So this is another method that you can use. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.